What is Litsea cubeba? Is Mei Chang the same as Litsea cubeba? Litsea cubeba, also known as mountain pepper or Mei Chang, is a small tropical tree or shrub native to Southeast Asia, particularly in China, Indonesia, and other parts of the region. It belongs to the Litsea family and is known for its small, pepper-like fruits and fragrant leaves. See more 396 species in genus Litsea at monsteraholic.com. Litsea cubeba versus citrata. I find that Litsea cubeba has a more intense and citrusy aroma compared to the subtle and sweet fragrance of citrata, which I appreciate more for my essential oil blends. Litsea cubeba versus lemongrass. Between Litsea cubeba and lemongrass, I prefer the fresh, zesty scent of Litsea cubeba, as lemongrass can sometimes be too sharp and overpowering for my taste. What is Litsea cubeba essential oil? Litsea cubeba essential oil, commonly referred to as Mei Chang essential oil, is extracted from the small, pepper-like fruits of the Litsea cubeba tree through steam distillation. The oil is valued for its bright, citrusy aroma and is widely used in aromatherapy, perfumery, and as an ingredient in various cosmetic and cleaning products. What is Litsea cubeba essential oil used for? Litsea cubeba essential oil is used for its therapeutic properties in aromatherapy, where it is known for its uplifting and calming effects. It is also used in skincare products for its astringent and antiseptic properties, helping to balance oily skin and treat acne. Additionally, it is used in cleaning products due to its antimicrobial qualities and refreshing scent. What does Litsea cubeba smell like? Litsea cubeba essential oil has a fresh, sweet, and lemony aroma with a hint of spiciness. Its scent is often compared to that of lemongrass, but it is generally considered to be a bit sweeter and more refined. Is Litsea cubeba photosensitive? Litsea cubeba essential oil is not known to be photosensitive. This means it does not increase the skin's sensitivity to sunlight, unlike some other citrus oils such as bergamot. However, it is always advisable to perform a patch test before using any essential oil on the skin. Can lemongrass be substituted for Litsea cubeba? Yes, lemongrass can often be used as a substitute for Litsea cubeba in recipes and formulations that call for a citrusy scent. Both oils have similar lemon-like aromas, although lemongrass is slightly more grassy and earthy, while Litsea cubeba is sweeter and more refined. What blends well with Litsea cubeba? Litsea cubeba blends well with a variety of essential oils, including citrus oils like lemon, lime, and orange, floral oils like lavender and geranium, herbal oils like rosemary and basil, woodsy oils like cedarwood and sandalwood, spicy oils like clove and ginger. Where to buy Litsea cubeba? Litsea cubeba essential oil can be purchased from various sources including online retailers such as Amazon, eBay, and specialized essential oil websites like Plant Therapy, Eden's Garden, and doTERRA. Local health food stores or wellness shops that carry essential oils. Specialty stores that focus on aromatherapy and natural skincare products.